Yo, what's up, y'all? We're back in the garage here at the shop, and as you can see, we're working on the F150. We're doing a basic level kit, 2-inch level kit to raise the front end to make it level, so we won't have that race car rake. Look more like a truck. And we're gonna show you what's up. So let's have it. So we got the F150 in. We got one side done, and I just wanted to show you a quick preview of what we're getting into and some tips and tricks. So there's a whole bunch of other videos out. We got, it's called the Max Trax 2-inch level kit. We got it from American Trucks. So we got the whole strut assembly out. As you can see, we don't have to hit out the bolts like a lot of videos say. And then, let's see. The level kit only goes on one way. So you see it ain't fitting in. Spin it. Spinning around. And it fits in. So you put the level kit on. You put the new nuts. So these ones with nylon locks on them will hold the level kit on to the strut assembly. So put them on, and then we got new nuts, the factory nuts. You don't reuse. You got brand new nuts they give you, and it basically comes right out. I watched a few videos. American Truck video I watched was probably the best one. Now you got a whole bunch of other people on here like do it so many different ways. Like you gotta take the ball joints off, blah blah blah. Well, you don't gotta do any of that. You just disconnect right here the end link from the sway bar. You can disconnect all these brackets for the brake lines to make it more feasible for when this stuff you gotta move it around. And as you can see, you take the A-arm bolts out, and that's it. You don't have to hit these bolts out of the struts. Now maybe, and I don't even think with even a bigger level kit, because there's plenty of room when I put it back in. You just take out the bolts for the A-arms on each side and that sway bar end link, and that's it. And basically right here, you drop the strut back down in here and shimmy it back up, and then wiggle everything back in place and try and line it up. So you can see there's an outline of where the bolt was. I'm gonna try and get it back into that same spot on each side, so less of a problem. And then I would recommend getting an alignment after all said and done. So this side is on. We got the new bolts on. Everything's all backed up. We put a coating of paint on everything because for some reason every weld on here rusts and isn't coated. So we gave it a little quick coat to make it last longer. There's the end link bolted back up to the sway bar on this side. All these bolts right here, and up back there. Tightened all back up, and then while we were at it, we changed the brake pads. We just went with some Duralast brake pads, and then we use this tool to compress the caliper back in. But our main thing was to get the level kit on so it looks more like a truck, and we're gonna try and put the bigger tires on, 33s, not too much bigger. So right now the factory tires are 275 55 20, and we're gonna go with the 275 60 20s. And we need new tires anyway, so we'll get this on. We're gonna get to the shop, make an appointment, and get an alignment after we get this all on. So that's what the level kit looks like on the strut. We went with the steel level kit. We live in a salty area, and this is the work truck. So you don't have to disconnect the ball joints or anything. You just, like I said, take the A-arm bolts out, pop it down, pry the strut assembly from the A-arm, wiggle it all out, and do the reverse, putting it back in, and then you jack the A-arm back up, and it goes in pretty easy. Easier than you would think. People make it out harder than it is, and it actually ain't too bad of a job to do a level kit or removing the strut assembly. So this is what we're up to in the shop. So yeah, we went with something a little different, give you a little some stuff on the truck, and hopefully we'll have a video some more stuff that we get done on it, and with the level kit finished installed. So you know what to do until the next videos. Keep hitting them like, share, and subscribe buttons. Keep tuning in, and we'll catch you on that next one. Peace.